Today we are reviewing the RW RoutersWholesale 1RU Cable Management Kit 700-01663-01A0, a versatile product designed to help maintain an organized and efficient workspace in server rooms and data centers. This kit, noted for its compact dimensions of approximately 3.25 inches in both length and width, is engineered to maximize space management while ensuring a neat array of cables and connections. At its core, this product is meant to provide a clear and organized cable management solution for 1RU rack unit equipment installations. The reassuring quality of this kit stems not only from its brand, RW RoutersWholesale, but also from its thoughtful design specifications that make it an ideal choice for professionals who aim to optimize their equipment layout. One of the prominent features is its compact size, which is crucial when space is at a premium. Measuring around 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches, it fits perfectly in a variety of setups, ensuring that your equipment remains accessible and well kept without overcrowding the rack space. Additionally, its robust construction ensures durability and longevity, even in environments where frequent adjustments or cable reconfigurations occur. In real-life scenarios, users have experienced significant improvements in their cable management efficiency after integrating this kit into their systems. The product not only makes identifying and tracing cables easier, but also reduces clutter, which can otherwise lead to potential overheating or hardware issues. Many professionals have found that the kit stands out with its simplicity and ease of installation, making it a practical addition to both new installations and retrofits of existing systems. A balanced view reveals some advantages and minor drawbacks. On the upside, the compact size, ease of installation, and robust build quality are well received by users who value clear organization in crowded spaces. Moreover, its compatibility with the 1RU server design further bolsters its appeal. However, for those managing very high-density or specialized cable setups, the standard dimensions might feel somewhat limiting compared to larger, more customizable management solutions. In such cases, more extensive cable management kits might be a better fit. When compared with similar products on the market, this kit holds its ground by offering a well-designed, space-efficient solution that is both cost-effective and reliable. To get the most out of your cable management kit, be sure to plan your rack layout carefully, label cables consistently, and periodically review the organization to adjust for any new hardware additions. Overall, the RW RoutersWholesale 1RU Cable Management Kit is a solid and reliable choice for tech enthusiasts, IT professionals, and anyone looking to maintain a neatly organized server or network setup. Its practical design, clear benefits, and affordable price point make it a worthwhile consideration for ensuring efficient and secure cable management in your workspace.